If you want to know how to live stream on YouTube using your mobile device, whether it's iPhone or Android, watch this video. All you need is a mobile phone and the free YouTube app. Stay tuned throughout the video as I show you the benefits of going live on YouTube, the requirements you need for mobile live streaming, and step-by-step instructions to go live from your mobile phone. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to be notified about future videos. Here are the steps to live stream on YouTube using your mobile device, whether it's an Android or iPhone. In this case, I'm using my iPhone. Step 1, install the YouTube app. You can see I've got the icon already installed on my iPhone. If you're on an iOS device like the iPhone, you can download it from the App Store. Here's the icon for the App Store. If you're using an Android device, you can download it from the Google Play Store. In this case, I'm using my iPhone. Tap the YouTube app, tap the camera icon, tap live. I've currently got my iPhone in the landscape mode, which you want to use when you go live. If you go live in the portrait mode, you'll get the black bars on your YouTube video. So temporarily, as I add the information about my video, I want to put it in the portrait mode. So I'm going to tip it up. Okay, I'm going to create a title. How to live stream on YouTube mobile. Okay, got that. Tap public. You can select public, unlisted, or cancel. So I'm going to select unlisted. Unlisted means your video won't be available to the public unless you give them a link. Location, you can enter a location if you want to choose a location for where you're doing the video. Tap more options. I can schedule it for later. So I can choose my date and time, but I want to go live right now, so I'm going to just leave that as is and choose advanced settings. Now I can allow chat, enable age restriction, leave that off. This video contains paid promotion, leave that off. Enable monetization, I leave that off for now. Go back to advanced settings. I'm going to turn it over to landscape mode now, so just in case I forget. Now I want to add a description. So I'm going to get rid of this old description. How to go live on YouTube mobile, whether it's an Android or iPhone device. After you've entered your description, just tap done. Tap next. Smile for a thumbnail. Okay, if you don't like that thumbnail, you can always go back, tap next, and create a different thumbnail. So I tap on the arrow icon. I can create a post on my community tab for this live stream. I can share it on Twitter, copy a link, share it on Gmail, etc. Tap cancel. And now I'm ready to go live. So just gonna do a quick test live. Tap go live. Just make sure that it's in landscape mode. It says welcome to the live chat. Remember to guard your privacy. So don't really need that. I've got the likes. I can see how long that I've gone live. And I can also switch cameras if I want. It's my computer. And if I tap this icon, then I've got top chat, live chat, super chat, and none. Top chat is some messages such as potential spam may not be visible, which is good. Live chat, all messages are visible, which is great. Super chat, that means people can make contributions or donations to get their questions answered in the chat. Tap cancel. Then if I tap this icon, then I can also change how I look. Too much light, so it's a bit greener. Got all these different ones. I've got lights going on here. I can also do documentary. I can also do a haunt one, which is pretty interesting. Silver screen, sepia. Just do the normal one for now. The best lighting if you don't have an indoor studio is just to film outside. Just make sure it's a cloudy day or film in the shade. Now if I tap these three dots down here, I can share it, I can mute the microphone and cancel. A great microphone to use for your iPhone or Android device is to use the lavalier SmartLav Plus microphone. It gives a great sound and you can just clamp it onto your shirt or blouse. Chat messages will appear on the screen as I go live. And I'll also see the number of people that are on the live stream at the top left here, and also the number of likes. Okay, let's end the live stream. So just tap the X, tap end. And here it shows a picture of the playbacks, peak concurrence, duration 3 minutes 42, and total watch time. Tap done. Now my video is uploading to the YouTube channel and it'll appear in my list of videos.
Let me ask you a question. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to live streaming on YouTube? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. So what are the benefits of going live? Number one, you can connect live with your subscribers. When you go live, you can actually have a conversation with your subscribers and get to know them much better. Number two, get instant feedback. So if you ask a question or want to get an opinion or feedback, you can get it immediately from your subscribers. Number three, increases watch time. If you don't have 4,000 watch hours, then you can't enable monetization for your channel. Live streaming is a great way to accumulate watch hours really fast. For instance, if somebody stays watching your live stream for 1 hour, you get 1 hour of watch time. Number four, get more subscribers. When you engage more deeply with your target audience, they'll get to know, like, and trust you and become a subscriber. Number five, rank for evergreen traffic. If you've optimized your live video correctly, there's a high probability it'll rank in the search engines, so you get evergreen traffic day after day, year after year. Typically a live stream video has a longer duration than a regular video, so there's a possibility that the longer video will outrank the shorter video. Number six, no edits needed. After you finish the live stream, you're essentially done. You don't have to spend hours and hours editing your video. Wow, that's a huge time saver. You didn't tell us about the requirements. I'm glad you asked. You do need to have 1,000 subscribers to go live from your YouTube app. If you don't have 1,000 subscribers, just go live from your desktop using your webcam. You got to conform to YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Make sure your channel is enabled for live streaming and you have no live stream restrictions in the last 90 days. Here's a few tips to keep in mind when you go live on YouTube mobile. Number one, set your phone to do not disturb. You don't want to be interrupted by a phone call while you're going live on your phone. Number two, test your setup. Make sure your camera, microphone, lighting, backdrop, and the internet connection is all working correctly. I highly recommend doing a dry run before you go live, just in case something's out of place. Make sure your phone battery is fully charged, just in case you go longer than you thought. Number three, make sure you're in landscape mode. If you go live in portrait mode, you get black bars on your video, which looks ugly. Number four, check your live stream metrics. You'll be able to see the watch time and subscribers growth from your live video. Number five, promote your video. So after you finish going live, optimize the video with cards and end screens and promote it to your social media sites. Hey Herman, do you have a checklist for going live on YouTube with a mobile phone? I'm glad you asked. Just click the image below to download my mobile live streaming checklist. You'll then know what to do before, during, and after your live stream. Make sure you also watch the other videos on my playlist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.